Imagine a place where the grandeur of the Swiss Alps meets the serene beauty of Lake Geneva, where old-world charm blends seamlessly with modern sophistication. Welcome to Lausanne, a city that redefines luxury in the most unique ways. Picture this. It's a crisp winter morning. The first light of the day is peeking through the snow-capped mountains. There's a certain romance in the air, a romance that only a city like Lausanne can bring. As you step outside of your hotel, the Beau Rivage Palace, you're greeted by the stunning view of Lake Geneva, looking like a flawless mirror reflecting the majesty of the Alps. Lausanne is not just about grand hotels and majestic views, it's a luxury that seeps into your experiences. The city is filled with Michelin-starred restaurants where you can indulge in the finest Swiss cuisine. Imagine enjoying a meal at the Restaurant de l'Hôtel de Ville, where every dish is a masterpiece, a symphony of flavors that dances on your palate. But the luxury of Lausanne doesn't end with gastronomy. It extends to the city's rich cultural life. Spend an afternoon at the Olympic Museum, the largest archive of Olympic Games in the world where history and sport intertwine, or take a stroll through the old town with its cobblestone streets and centuries-old buildings, each telling a story of a time gone by. Lausanne's luxury is also in its tranquility. It's in the peaceful boat rides on Lake Geneva, the leisurely walks through the vineyards of Vaud, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the quiet moments spent in the city's many beautiful parks and gardens. The city is a paradise for shoppers too, with its many high-end boutiques and luxury stores. From Swiss watches to world-class chocolates, Lausanne offers a shopping experience that's as rich and varied as the city itself. To sum it up, the luxury of Lausanne is not just about opulence and grandeur, it's a lifestyle, an experience. It's in the city's stunning natural beauty, its rich history and culture, its world-class dining and shopping, and its tranquil and peaceful ambiance. Lausanne is a city that invites you to slow down, to savor each moment, to indulge in the finer things in life. So when you think of luxury, think beyond the glitz and glamour. Think of Lausanne, a city that offers a unique blend of laid-back luxury and sophisticated charm. A city where every moment is a beautiful memory, a city that stays with you long after you've left. This is the unique luxury of Lausanne.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe by pressing button below.